Hi, today I'm going to show you two cables. They are the 6/6 right purl cross cable and a 6/6 left purl cross cable. Both of these cables are used in my Lovenia scarf pattern, and I've knit this out of June cashmere fingering, and the color here that I've chosen is slate. So let's get started. Let's go over the 6/6 right purl cross. To do this cable, the first thing you're going to do is slip 6 stitches to your cable needle. Now remember to slip them purlwise so that you don't twist the stitches. Okay, I have 6 stitches on my cable needle, and I'm going to hold them in back, just like this. And now we're going to work 6 stitches across our left hand needle, and we are going to purl 2, knit 2, and then purl 2. And now we're going to work the 6 stitches from our cable needle in the same way by first purling 2, then we'll knit 2, and then purl 2. And that's how you work the 6/6 right purl cross cable. I'm just going to knit 4 stitches to get to the next cable that I'm going to work, which is the 6/6 left purl cross. So we're going to start again by slipping 6 stitches to our cable needle. Okay, and this time, once we have those stitches on our cable needle, we're going to hold our cable needle to the front of our work. And now we're going to work 6 stitches from our left hand needle. And we're going to start by purling 2, then knitting 2, and then purling another 2 stitches. And now we're going to work our stitches from our cable needle. We are going to purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. So you can see when we do a right purl cross cable, those stitches on top are slanting to the right, and when we do our left cross cable, it's slanting to the left.